Okay, guys, welcome to and welcome back. This is another sewing video, and it's a set, a skirt and a top. The top has sleeves, and the skirt has two lines going down the front of it, which we're supposed to rest upon each leg. Okay, it didn't. You just got to see how it turned out. And then the shirt has a color block, bit happening, and it's with two different fabrics, and I thought it gave it a little pizzazz, and tried something different. But I want y'all to stick around and see the totality of my merchandise, of what I have produced. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so looking back in retrospect, what I would do in that situation is already have it cut closest to the shape that you're trying to cover. And before you stitch that top on that I'm working at right there, I would already have it hemmed. So you don't have to hem it, once it's connected. I guess it really wouldn't matter, huh? But I would already have it hemmed. I don't know. Maybe with the same color thread that the fabric is. That way when you add it to it, I don't know. I just know that it still had like wrinkles in it. And I was like, maybe I'm thinking that maybe that was because it was too much fabric there. But y'all get what I was trying to do. Okay, y'all see that. That you see. And so now, cutting this skirt, um, I like I was saying earlier that I kind of cut that part out. I feel like I have the skirt part down. Okay, as long as I'm not trying to do anything fancy, like put lines on the leg, or put a little trim around the knees, which really isn't fancy. It's very basic stitching, but y'all, I am currently looking up classes at Joann's and classes at Michael's for sewing. And y'all gonna be seeing me at them classes real soon now. Real soon. Unless the Lord laid on my heart to do something different. But I really could use some sewing lessons. Just to, there's nothing wrong with it. It's fun with the trial and error and everything, but when it starts to get frustrating when you're actually trying to produce something that you can wear out, you know what I mean? Or you're trying to produce something you can sell and then it fails. That's when it's like, okay. And I don't see anything wrong with it, although a part of me wanted this to be something that just came naturally, if you will. But because I don't like the thought of paying someone for um something that I can get the information off the internet for free. Like I'm already paying for the internet, you know what I mean? So to sit in classes, but it's not but it's you can't put a price tag on learning, the hands-on learning, having a teacher there able to correct you before you or while you're making the mistake. She's like, no, turn it this way, or no, make sure your needles, in this position, or this thread isn't for this fabric, whatever corrections the teacher would make. Yeah, so now I'm getting ready to add that other sleeve on there. I'm just getting an idea. And that pink, y'all, that pink kind of has me in a mindset of wanting to quit and just be done with this outfit. But I'm not going to. I'm going to hang in there with it and see it through and learn something from each outfit. I know that whatever bodice I make next is going to have less shoulder, clavicle, collarbone, whatever. It's going to have less of that exposed. I don't like pulling stuff. I don't want to have to keep adjusting my bra strap. You know what I mean? Like pushing it under there. I don't want to keep doing that. That's annoying to me. However, I do like the cut where it's I don't know if you guys can see the cut on the shirt, but I do like that. I will incorporate that in all of my moving forwards. Some things I do, I'm like, oh, kudos. Yeah, I like that. More of that. And some things it's like, don't you do that no more. Well, I am proud of it. But now I want to do something different. So I'm going to put these on here. And it's going to go all the way down. And snip. And I'm going to measure this out again. And it's going to go down and snip. We're going to put one on that side. And we're going to put one on this side. Yep. Now we're going to pin it and start stitching. I changed the thread so that the thread is closer to the color of the outfit. I had to get rid of the green thread. Oh, and I put some bust darts in the shirt. This is going to be interesting trying to stitch this. Well, I guess it shouldn't be, huh? I feel like maybe, I don't know. I don't know. At first I was going to put these on the side, you know, down both strips. And then I was like, nah, I don't want to do that. I've seen outfits like that. I wanted to do something a little bit different. And that's wavy right there, so we don't want that. We want it straight. This would be a good time to use my fabric marker and my chalk to make sure that I stay in the lines. Anyway, y'all. Got the dress on, got that dress on. Okay, so what you see here is evident that the lines did not pay attention to where they were positioned. Okay, I'm not taking no accountability. This is all the sewing machines and the needle's fault. The triangles didn't get the memo that they were supposed to stay straight. Okay, guys, I'm a little nervous to wear my outfit in here. But it is just a hair store, so they shouldn't be paying too much attention to what I have on. I hope this ain't see-through. Okay, so these here are baby steps, guys, but I think I did a pretty good job.